In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste data into a Smartsheet sheet correctly and make sure everything lines up the way it should. To get started, first, copy the data you want to paste. This could be information from a spreadsheet, a document, or another table. Before moving on, it's a good idea to quickly check that the data is organized the way you expect, especially if it contains multiple rows and columns. Clean, well-structured data will usually paste much more smoothly into Smartsheet. Next, open the Smartsheet sheet where the data should go. Make sure you're in the correct sheet before pasting anything, since placing data into the wrong sheet can create unnecessary cleanup later. If you're working with an existing project or tracker, take a moment to look at the column layout so you understand where your pasted information is supposed to fit. Once you're in the right sheet, click the first cell where the pasted data should begin. This step is important because Smartsheet uses that selected cell as the starting point for the entire paste. In other words, the top left item from your copy data will go into the cell you select, and the remaining rows and columns will fill in from there. Choosing the correct starting cell helps avoid shifting data into the wrong columns. After that, paste the data by pressing Control and V on Windows or Command and V on Mac. Smartsheet will insert the copied content into the sheet beginning at the cell you selected. If your copied data includes several rows and columns, they should populate automatically across the matching area. Once the data has been pasted, review the rows and columns carefully. Look through the sheet to confirm that everything landed where it should. Pay close attention to whether values appear under the correct column headings, and make sure no rows were cut off or misplaced during the paste. If you notice any formatting problems or column mismatch issues, fix them before moving on. For example, dates, text, numbers, or drop-down related fields may need a quick adjustment if they didn't transfer perfectly. Taking a few extra seconds here can prevent bigger issues later, especially if the sheet is used for reporting, tracking, or collaboration. Finally, save the sheet after confirming the data is correct. This ensures your changes are preserved and the updated information is ready for use, and that's it. You've successfully pasted data into Smartsheet in a clean and accurate way.